Alright, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? Just came from YouTube Live to Facebook Live to film this building here. Yep. This building finally demolished. Yep. Doing it on Facebook so my Facebook friends could watch this. You know? Yep. Finally done it. Okay. I mean, I was tired of this building being abandoned. You know? So look around carefully, ladies and gentlemen. All right. So this building has finally been demolished. I can put this on my other channels, you know, the Dominoes 7 Show channel, my Dominoes 66 channel, and the Dominoes 7 channel. All right. And here on Facebook, it's already aired on Facebook, but when is this gonna air on YouTube? Only Domino knows. Okay. Yep. So I bought y'all inside that building when it was messed up. You know, showed y'all the inside of it. You know, on the recording. You know. All right. So I about to go wait on the bus. Okay. Bye bye, y'all.